आगोशम 2026 ने मनोरंजन, कला और संस्कृति से जुड़े सितारों और ख़ास मेहमानों की मौजूदगी में एक शानदार शाम को यादगार बना दिया। इस खास आयोजन में संगीत, ग्लैमर और एंटरटेनमेंट का खूबसूरत संगम देखने को मिला। कार्यक्रम में शामिल कलाकारों और मेहमानों ने अपनी मौजूदगी से महफिल में चार चांद लगा दिए। आगोशम 2026 के मंच पर खास प्रस्तुतियों और यादगार पलों ने दर्शकों का खूब मनोरंजन किया। इस शानदार इवेंट की खास झलकियां, सितारों की मौजूदगी और पूरी शाम के यादगार मोमेंट्स देखने के लिए वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखें।
अरे आजा। So today we are celebrating Agosham 2026. Agosham is all about bringing Kerala to Mumbai with all the culture, tradition and food basically. So I have today curated a sadhya at the Merchant at Fairmont with 40 dishes exclusively curated and prepared by me, and we have got industry stalwarts attending the event, and each and every one is going to experience Kerala not only through food but through the entire culture and tradition. And I'm so happy that today we could make this dream come true, and I'm extremely proud of all the Malayalis and the non-Malayalis who has contributed to this industry being awarded and rewarded. And they were all in gratitude, and they found a purpose for each and every award what we presented to them. So I'm extremely happy to host Agosham, me and my partner Hari Ayyappan, and we are looking forward to taking this to a different level year on year. Thank you very much for attending this, and I can't be more grateful or thankful than this. Thank you.
Here for Shobha, and I love her food, so I won't miss it for anything in the world. And in fact, I've been ordering her Onam Sadhya for years now because it's so special. So I'm looking forward to the meal just now, and it's a beautiful event, and it's great to celebrate our traditions and our culture in this way. And yeah, I'm very happy to be here. Thank you.
I would like to say firstly many congratulations to Shobha Cucino. I know her from her Times of India days, and now I know that she's an amazing chef, and what's important is it's all rooted in our culture. We are now one world, and we become very westernized in our outlook in every way. We enjoy multi-cuisine from all over the world, but it's so important to know what our own backyard has for us. So Shobha has introduced us to Kerala culture, art, dances, performers, artists and food. So on this occasion, firstly happy Onam and happy Agosham to everyone, to Shobha particularly. And I'm really honored and privileged to receive recognition today. It's very big for me because I'm an artist and I love acting. And very tentatively first, and now very excitedly, I'm back into my profession, and to be recognized is a very great honor, and I'm very humble and very grateful to Shobha for organizing this event, and happy Onam, and thank you once again.
Yes, this was Shobha's dream plan. I remember many years back, Shobha had come to me with this idea. It was a dream plan. She had come to me and she told me that I want to launch Agosham. So I was wondering what this Agosham is all about. She told me Agosham is celebration. And I knew that whatever she wanted to launch it in a very big way. And she told me the concept of this Agosham. She told me that I want people all across to experience Kerala. That is the tradition, that is your music, your food, your decor, all under one roof. I want to give them all under one roof. So I said it's a very good idea. But she worked tirelessly and relentlessly on this, and she made it big. And in fact today, when we're standing here and looking at what she has achieved, and especially the experience that we are all going through at this moment at Fairmont, I'm truly proud of her achievement because it is something that she always cherished and always wanted, and today in front of my eyes I can see it unfolding. So I'm very, very proud of her achievement and what all she has done. So it's a very big day. I mean, it's a very special day for me, and we are all eager and we are all waiting to go up and enjoy the sadhya which she has prepared. She has finally curated each and every item. I'm sure everyone who are present are going to enjoy whatever she has prepared. So I'm really looking forward to enjoy. Everybody looking forward to go and enjoy the sadhya. Thank you.
इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में मैं यही कह सकती हूँ, जैसे हमने सुना चेची बैक वाटर्स. I have to say the backwaters Chechi is an incredible way of making us get back to our roots, make us understand the culture and the heritage of Kerala. एक बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ बोली मधु मैम ने कि हम सबको पता है कि टेलर स्विफ्ट या कोई दूसरी आर्टिस्ट या हमारे कुछ आर्टिस्ट क्या कर रहे हैं बाहर के देश में, कौन कहाँ पैप हो रहा है, पर हमारे देश की जो सभ्यता है, जो हमारे कल्चर्स है, जो हमारे डांस परफॉर्मेंसेस है, जो हमारे नृत्य कलाकार हैं, उनको हम कितना ही जानते हैं. तो आई थिंक ब्रिंगिंग फूड, culinary, dancing, entertainment together under one roof is a spectacular way to start a Saturday and a very happy Onam to everybody. तो मुझे लगता है जो शोभा जी का ये इनिशिएटिव है पूरी टीम के साथ बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है. And I think we should continue to have this in every state, which you already do. But I'm waiting to have the khana, like the sadhya, right? So I want to have the payasam, the injipuli, you know, the papadam. So everything when you eat अपने banana leaf पे आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा. तो मुझे लगता है जो इन्होंने अभी नृत्य किया है, मैं सर को बुलाना चाहूँगी. Excuse me, sir, आप इधर आएंगे? आप इधर आइए प्लीज़. आइए. आपका नाम?
My name is Kannan, मरुतूर वट्टम कन्नन.
ये है कन्नन जी. इनका डांस फॉर्म प्लीज बताइए, आपने आज क्या किया है?
ओटन तुल्लल है. ये तो केरल का एक ट्रेडिशनल डांस फॉर्म है. इट्स अ वेरी पुराना आर्ट फॉर्म है. तो ये फ्रॉम 17th सेंचुरी. तो
क्या आप लोगों को इस डांस फॉर्म के बारे में पता है? नहीं पता है, इसलिए हमारे पास बैक वाटर्स चेची है कि आप लोगों को पता चले. बिकॉज दिस गाय I have to say is a true artist. He has outdone himself. And मुझे ये लगता है कि आप जैसे और कलाकारों को जिनके पास इतना हुनर है, हम जैसे आर्टिस्टों से ज़्यादा बोलूँगी, जिस तरीके से प्लीज़ उनको दिखाइए आप आंखें कैसे करते हैं अपनी डांस फॉर्म.
ये तो it's lot expressive, like
wow,
lot of expression it has.
ये हम भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो ये है छिपा टैलेंट जो alongside us actors we should embrace this. So I would say it's a great way and I'm so proud of her and thank you for having me. कैसे कहते हैं हैप्पी ओनम कैसे कहते हैं? എല്ലാവർക്കും
ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ ഓണാശംസകൾ. ആശംസകൾ. Happy Onam.
Happy Onam.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
No, you deserve it. You deserve it.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you.